Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Cahaya. Student ID number 2400124077. And then
Is Satriani, student ID number 240124
And I am Zaitun with student number 2400124086.
we from the group 3.
The next.
We will explain the answer from the discussion group 3.
Part A, comprehension question number 1. What is the main difference between research design and study design?
Research design is the blueprint, the philosophy or approach, while study design is the specific technique or roadmap used to collect data.
Okay, number 2. What are the 3 major types of research design mentioned in the material?
3 main research design: qualitative, quantitative, and mixed method.
Number 3. What type of data is used in qualitative and quantitative research?
Types of data: qualitative uses words and description, quantitative uses numbers and statistic.
Number 4. What is the main purpose of qualitative research design?
Goal of qualitative research to understand a phenomenon deeply, explore human experiences, and find meaning.
Okay, the next
Um,
question.
Number 5. What is a key characteristic of experimental study design?
Key characteristic is the manipulation of variables of determine cause and effect relationships.
6. What does correlational study design aim to examine?
My answer: the main purpose of these designs is to determine whether variables are related, how strong the relationship is, and in what direction the relationship occurs. However, correlational research does not involve the manipulation of variables and cannot establish cause and effect relationships.
Part B. Number 1. Why is research design considered broader than study design? Explain using an example.
Research design broader concept. Research design is the overall plan or blueprint for the entire research project. It explains the research problem, objective questions, theoretical framework, methods collection data, methods analyzing data, and fidelity and reliability strategies. And study design is more specific. Study design refers to the specific structure of type of investigation used within the research. Common study design: experimental, quasi-experimental, cross-sectional, case study, ethnography, and longitudinal.
Number 2. Compare qualitative and quantitative research design in terms of purpose, data type, and outcomes.
The research typical collect non-numerical data, touch interview, classroom observation, relative journal, focus group discussion, or document analysis. Quantitative research design is used to collect and analyze numerical data in order to test hypotheses, examine relationships, compare groups, or measure the effects of certain variables. The next question, question for Iis Satriani, part B, number 3. Why is quasi-experimental design commonly used in educational settings instead of true experimental design?
Okay, my answer: because it is often difficult to randomly assign students in real classrooms. Quasi-experimental design is more practical and still allows research to study cause and effect relationship.
Part C. Number 1. If research wants to understand students' feelings about speaking and anxiety, which research design and study design will be most appropriate? Explain your choice.
Answer: a qualitative research design with a descriptive or case study design will be most appropriate because it focuses on understanding students' feelings and experience through interview or observation.
Okay, number 2, part C. A teacher wants to test whether a new teaching method improves students' writing scores. Which study design should be used and how should it be implemented?
Answer: an experimental or quasi-experimental study design should be used. The teacher can divide students into two groups, one using the NEO method, experimental group, and the other using the traditional method, control group, then compare their rating scores after the treatment.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you.